Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change WordPress username. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So for this one, you can see in here my WordPress dashboard. So what you can do instead is you can click on this profile icon right here. It typically says howdy and then your name. So what you can do is you can click on this edit profile right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open this particular part of your profile. So just scroll down. And in here, you can see the option for username. So the username cannot be changed in this case because it needs to be changed on the WordPress.com profile settings. So what you can do is you can click on this blue tab or this blue phrase right here. Then it will open here a new tab that will show you your actual WordPress profile settings. So in here, you can see your profile settings, first name, your public display name, as well as your profile links right here. So what you can do is you can change in here your username. So what we can do is you can click on this account settings. And in here, you can see your address, interface, and all of that. And when you scroll up, you can see in here your username. So what you can do is you can change it up according to your liking for this one. So for example, let's change it into 2. And then once it's been changed right here, you need to confirm your username. So let's just copy and paste it right here. Once you have done that, just head over and then try to save this progress by then clicking on the save icon. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I will try best to answer. Thanks.